Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge, where today's episode we're going to make a Mexican fire squad. Perfect for your Cinco de Mayo parties that are coming up. Anywho, first we're going to start off with 2 ounces of a white tequila or Blanco. We got 3/4 an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. So this is very similar to a margarita. We're gonna go with 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine. And we're gonna go 4 dashes of our bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna give this a good stir. Now I'm gonna add a little ice. Now we're gonna start to chill. Now we got a rocks glass full of ice. There you have it, a Mexican firing squad. Cheers. Now, if you're looking for more tequila drinks, well, cocktails, this is a really good cocktail. I like the grenadine in here. It is a little different than, like I said, in a margarita. But this is a really, really good tequila drink. So, anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.